Here's a new 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.